Okay, so we're going to complete the function table, then plot the points in the coordinate plane on the back. So the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and find the value of each y so then we can get our ordered pair. So for the first function, I'm going to write the function of 8 equals 2, and then I'm going to substitute the 8 for the x, so 2 times 8 minus 7. Now, I like to show my work underneath. It just makes it easier for me to keep track of things. If you do it off to the side, that's fine too. Now, I don't touch the g of 8, the function of 8. I leave that be. That's pretty much like the title of the function. I go down and I go ahead and solve. 2 times 8 is going to be 16. Bring down my minus 7. Then what's 16 minus 7? 9. So when I go to write my y value or my output, because it has the function of, I'm going to put the function, excuse me, of 8 equals 9. And then for my ordered pair, my x value was 8. And then when I solve the function, my y value equals 9. Okay? I have your register. Okay? So then go to the next one. I need this back, Deontay, because I need to check yours, okay? So let's go back to the next one. So this time, what do I plug in for my input?
5.
So the function of 5 equals 2 times what?
Times 5 minus 7.
All right? Isaiah, go ahead and finish that for me.
2 times 5 equals 10. Then minus 7. That's 3. Positive 3.
Why do you always do the 2 times 5 first or the 2 times x first?
Because P-E something.
PEMDAS, good. Order of operations, good. So then how do I write my output?
G times.
Nope.
G parentheses.
Nope.
G or.
Nope.
What?
G function of.
Oh.
G of, or the function of. There you go.
Oh,
G of what?
5 equals 3.
I'm sorry, equals what?
Equals 3. Positive 3.
And then your ordered pair?
5 and 3.
5 comma 3 with parentheses around it. Good. You don't have to say positive 3. If you just say 3, I already know that it's a positive. You can. 10.
Mrs. Livingston, do we get points off for not having a parentheses?
Yes, absolutely. Because then it's not considered an ordered pair. All right, next part. So now I'm doing the function of what? The function of Rihanna?
Okay. 0
Keep going.
equals 2 parentheses 0 minus 7,
All right.
which 2 multiply 0, which is 0. Subtract by 7. So you get negative 7. Okay. And then go to the other box and put
The output box and put.
output box and put function of 0 equals negative 7.
And then your ordered pair.
The order pair is 0 and negative 7.
Just like that.
You need the parentheses.
Just like that.
No.
What am I missing? Comma. There you go. All right. Thank you. All right, last one. How would I write it? Darius? No. G of, the function of. What did you say? I couldn't hear. What do I plug in for x? Okay. All right. Continue. Which equals? All right. Then your output. Then your ordered pair, whoa, -7 or negative what? There you go. Then your ordered pairs. Good. All right. Now flip it over. We're going to go ahead and graph these ordered pairs here. Somebody keep, I don't know if I have it on the back. I might have to rewrite my ordered pairs. So somebody keep their opener on the front side so we can write the ordered pairs on the back side here. So, oh, they're already written. Good deal. So, what's the first thing I need to do with this coordinate plane? No. Say it again. Or how about label my x and y axis, right? So which one's my x axis? Horizontal, left to right. So then my y is going to be the one that runs up and down, which is vertical. Now, what's this center part here called? The origin. When we graph, you always say start at the origin, then we do our x, and then we do the y. No, not sex ed in here. All right. So we're going to start at the origin, and then we do our x value. So we're going to go to the left or to the right, and then we're going to do our y value. We're going to go up or we're going to go down. So my first ordered pair, we're going to start at the origin. Isaiah, which way do I go? The first ordered pair.
You go that way.
To the right, how many spots?
8.
Then what?
We go up 9 times.
And then I'm going to plot my point. All right, the next ordered pair. Ayance,
Go right 5, 4,
start at the origin. I'm going to go right 5, then what?
go up.
Okay. Next one, Beyonce. Hold on. 8. Just stay there and then go down 7. 7. Be a lot easier if these are all numbered, wouldn't it? And then my last one. Kelsey. Start at the origin, go over which way?
Left.
How many? And then what? Okay. When you go to draw this line, you need to make sure that it is a straight line, that it goes through all the points, and the line extends from each of your last plotted points. Because a function table could go on and on and on and on and on. So we're not going to draw a line segment. We're going to draw a line that reflects that the function table can go on and on and on. When you go to use your straight edge to draw your line, because it's a longer line that you're going to have to draw, I recommend using the back of your folder. So I recommend using your folder, to help you with your straight edge there.
That ain't gonna work. I need a ruler.
If the line does not go through all of them, then something is wrong. Okay, I'm not going to lie. When I go to draw my line on this, it's really hard. If I would,
But these lines, put this right there on the paper.
So it's basically our lines don't have to be
You're
straight.
right
Right?
trying to get there.
They gotta be
See,
straight.
look, it's got to be straight.
I see.
you see how my line's straight? Now,
Red line must be straight.
it's really important.
Your one,
Listen, let me finish, please. It's really important that you use a straight edge. If I see that you're not, or I get a sheet of paper that I can tell that you did not use a straight edge, you're going to lose the point. So that's going to be pretty big on a quiz. Now, when I draw the line on my iPad, I don't have much control over how the line goes. So, ideally, my line here would go right through the dots. I'll try it one more time, but like I said, it's really hard to make it perfect on the iPad. That was a little bit better. That one's better. We'll stick with that one. Just because it doesn't give me a whole lot of room for flexibility to move it around. Now, when you're doing your line here and you're plotting your points, what if you plot a point that's way randomly over here? Let's say that one of your ordered pairs, when you plotted it, it ended up over here, and it's not part of our straight line.
It ain't right.
Say it again?
It ain't right.
So when you did that part of the function table, your answer came up incorrect. When you graph function tables, you will graph a straight line every single time in here. So if you go to graph and your line's not going to be straight because one of your ordered pairs are off, then you solved that part of the function table wrong. So do not give me worksheets with crazy looking lines. All right, we're going to stop there and then go ahead and get your openers passed to Mr. McFarland, and we